Good morning, everybody who's watching this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to install a dash cam on your 2014 Hyundai Sonata. We have the SE. I'm not sure if this will work with the limited or the hybrid, but I'm sure it's pretty much the same. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over here and disconnect your battery. The reason why we disconnect the battery is because we're going to be working next to the airbag and you don't want that going off on you. So I just disconnected the positive. You can just do the ground. I think you'll be fine. I'm not sure. So that's the first step. Second step is, depending on the type of dash cam you have, I'm just going to use a regular 12-volt connection. So next thing you're going to do is you're just going to pull down this weather strip right here, and this is going to give you access into this little A panel right here. Now I'm not too sure how you can get that off. I couldn't really find any videos on it. I'm pulling on it and it won't come off, and I don't want to break anything. So that's step number 2. Alright guys, so the next step that you're going to do is you're going to take your cord. I've already done this step because I need to teach you guys how to do it, so I need to do it first. Please excuse the dirty mess of the car. It's my wife's car. So what you want to do is put the wire through here, and then after that, there's a little gap right in between here. See how I can stick my finger in here? So that's where you're going to put the wire. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to take out the glove compartment. What you're going to do is you're going to unscrew. There's going to be like little knobs here. You're going to unscrew the little knobs, and then you're going to unscrew this knob over here. Then you're going to pull out the little thing that's right here. Then you got two little like things that you pinch the side of. I don't know what you want to call them. Pinch the side of, and then you're going to pull those out on both of these sides, and then it just should come right out. So after that step, what you're going to want to do is you're going to try to find your wire. So you snuck it through there. You can use your phone for a flashlight and watch the video and try to reach your hand back here to grab it. That's what I did. It's not that hard to find. It's actually pretty easy doing it this way. That's why we take this out. If you don't want to take this out, another method that you can do is you can try to stick your fingers through here and get it through there, but that's much more difficult. I tried that already. It doesn't really work that well. So after this, you're going to snake your wire, and I'll be back once I get that step done to explain to you guys. All right, guys, so the next step that you're going to do is, you don't have to do this, but it's kind of optional. So you're going to take your razor blade, and you're going to cut right here so you can sneak the wire through behind the carpet all the way up. You don't have to do that. You can fight to get it behind here, but I just cut it because no one's going to see it because it's all the way back here. You have to be literally on the ground trying to see it to see that, so it's not a huge deal if it's cut. So the next step, guys, you're going to pull down this carpet here, revealing, well, it won't come off that easily because there's a panel right here it is awful to try to get off, but it is possible. You just gotta play with it, hopefully not break it. I don't know if I broke it, but it was making me upset. So take this wire, now you're gonna bring it over here, you're gonna snake it up here, and you're gonna put it through here. I'll come back to you when I get it done. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna so you got the wire right here. I'm just gonna put the weather strip back on, and then you're gonna take the wire and put it behind this piece of rope that's attached to the frame for the airbag. So see how it's behind everything? I'm gonna put as much slack on there as possible. As you can see in there. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've put tape on the wire just to hold it down, only in 2 spots, and it's not very strong tape. I'm pretty sure this is medical tape, so I wouldn't be too concerned. It's just to hold it down so I can mount it easier. It should help you guys out. After that, go ahead and start routing the rest of your wire up in the headliner. Okay, everybody, so I tucked it into the headliner, and one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that what you're going to want to do is the slack for the wire, you're going to want to put it behind here, because it's not going to bother anybody, and it's not gonna affect any kind of performance of your car or anything like that. So as long as it's behind there, that's the easiest place for the slack to go. So that you just push in the airbag back where it's supposed to go, and you put the weather liner back on. Last thing you're gonna do is just continue sneaking your wire and find a place where you're gonna mount your dash cam. Make sure your mirror can move in full range. That's my first mistake on my other car. And so what you're going to find a lot is that your wire is going to start coming out. A little tip I have is you can take a little piece of tape, put it in there next to the wire, and then push it into the flathead screwdriver, and then it'll stay. All right, guys, so the final steps are you're just going to reassemble everything in the way that I told you to take them off, and then You're gonna connect your dash cam, you're gonna connect the battery again, and you're gonna see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then I'm sorry that you just went through all this. Make sure it's plugged in as well. You can see I got it plugged in right there, and it's nice, clean. You can't even see the wire, and then it's plugged in. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.